In the new digital age, we're able to carry and listen to almost every single album and song ever released in a high quality and extremely portable format through our smartphones. But for a lot of Gen Z, digital streaming lacks a certain charm. We wanted to see why physical media has been on the rise again in an era of higher quality and more affordable methods of media consumption. While digital media remains the leader in methods of listening to and distributing music, physical albums are still prevalent and on the rise in its respective genres. Billboard Music, one of the leading music publications, conducted a survey in 2021 showing that in genres such as jazz and rock, physical albums have accounted for over 20% of total music consumption in the United States.
One of the more popular forms of physical media going around is currently the vinyl record in 7, 10, and 12-inch sizes. Popular artists ranging from Taylor Swift and Chappell Roan to Morgan Wallen and Tyler the Creator put out new vinyl records with every album release. There's certainly no shortage of physical records to listen to. In fact, vinyl records have had some of the largest growth and popularity in recent years. According to Billboard, vinyl record sales in the United States have increased from just under 1 million records in 2006 to just over 43 million unit sales in 2023. This marks 17 consecutive years of sales growth and shows continuous popularity, especially among younger generations. Vinyl records aren't the only form of physical media making its way back into the mainstream. Audio cassettes have been on the rise since 2015. According to another Billboard survey, cassette sales had doubled and have continued to show strong growth, and with good reason too. With artists such as Sabrina Carpenter, Charlie XCX, and other music industry powerhouses releasing their albums on cassettes, attention has shifted back to this previously forgotten form of audio appreciation.
However, a major downside to vinyl records is the fact that they're not portable at all, requiring large and bulky record players which need to be constantly plugged into an outlet to function. There just had to be an easier way to listen to music on the go. Thankfully, a solution had come along. Audio cassettes and compact discs, also known as CDs, had come out and addressed the problems of music portability that had plagued those before the age of digital streaming. Audio cassettes and CDs are very small, both only being around 5 inches long and being able to be used in small, battery-powered players. These new formats for music had finally made on-demand listening portable and more accessible. These portable media are cheaper. Instead of being around $20 to $30 for a one-disc vinyl record, CDs and cassettes usually range from between $10 to $15 for a complete album.
While the pricing and affordability make these forms of music media out to be significantly better than the vinyl records, we were left with a question. With so many different ways to listen to music, how do students at DGS like to listen to their music? Okay. What's your name and grade?
My name's Elizabeth Mahoney. I'm a 9th grader.
How often do you listen to music?
Like every day.
And what genres do you listen to?
I really like pop. I like 2000s music. I also like Green Day a lot.
Do you have any physical music media?
I have a few Green Day CDs.
How often would you say you listen to them?
Probably the CDs once a week.
Okay. What's your name and grade?
Kira Olson. I'm a freshman.
How often do you listen to music?
Every day.
And what genres of music do you listen to?
Pop, classic rock, sometimes jazz.
Do you have any physical music media?
Yeah, I have records.
And how often would you say you listen to them?
Not often.
What's your name and grade?
My name is Caprice Jeff, and I am a 9th grader.
How often do you listen to music?
Almost every single day.
What genres of music do you listen to?
Depends on my mood, but I listen to pop, I listen to classical, sometimes heavy metal, R&B, rock and roll, sometimes EDM if I'm feeling like it, and then obviously musicals.
Do you have any physical music media?
What'd that mean?
Like vinyls, cassettes, CDs?
No.
Thank you for letting me interview you. Can I have your name and grade?
I'm Zoya Siddiqui. I'm a junior.
How often do you listen to music?
Very often. I'd say almost every day.
What kind of genres do you listen to?
Honestly, I feel like I'm one of those persons that are I listen to everything, where it doesn't really matter what genre it is. As long as it sounds good to me, I'll listen to it. I don't really stick to a certain genre or convention, I guess.
Do you have any physical music media?
Yeah, I have records, and then I have cassette tapes, and I also have a lot of sheet music because I play the violin, so I feel like that kind of counts.
And how often do you listen to your physical music?
My records and stuff, I wouldn't say very often. If I have guests over and stuff, I'll have it over, obviously. Maybe I'll have a sheet music on the floor or something, I don't know.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.
Hi, can I get your name and grade?
Hi, I'm Zara, and I'm a junior in high school right now.
How often do you listen to music?
Honestly, every day while I'm doing homework, I love music, you know?
What kind of genres do you listen to? Do
I love pop, R&B, and then a little bit of rap.
you have any like physical kinds of music?
I do. I really like CDs in general, and then like vinyls too.
How often do you listen to them?
Maybe like once in like every 2 weeks, just because it's like kind of harder to take out. But like I just love the aspect and the aesthetic of it.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.